Those rocks are pink and gray. And then the water level line. So the lake is low. The dam is low.
Yeah, turbines right
Up close and personal. Wow, I said I would never ride on that bridge. I been on that crawler 2 times, didn't even know it. Wow. Never say what you won't do. Hello. Oh, look at all those solar panels down there. Lined up all the way up through there.
Take advantage of this sun.
This is really nice. A beautiful day. January.
But the snow down
2011.
It snowed.
Ooh, next time we're going to have one of them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You ever wake up in the morning. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? But Mac E still go check in for the real Mac E. Doing real things in the real Nevada at the real Hoover Dam. You know, it's a breathtaking experience. You know what I'm saying? This had a couple times. I've been through here plenty of times, man. Getting from Memphis to Nevada. You know what I'm saying? Nevada. So I finna go crank this motherfucking grill up and show you niggas I'm from Memphis for real. I finna grill me some chicken.
Yes, sir.
And some hamburgers.
On Lake Mead.
On Lake Mead.
Let's
do
do it.
Super straight.
Well, let's go.
I'm super straight.
Yes, sir. Caesar didn't get out the car this time. What is he in the truck doing? What are you doing, Caesar? You sit down. You can't go everywhere humans go.
Get somewhere.